Hey guys, my name's Justin and welcome to Healthboro, where we care about the design behind designer luxury. And if you do too, make sure to subscribe. Ooh. Oh, is there even text there? Alright, so I am very excited for this video today. Today's video is an unboxing. Woo! Oh my god, I'm literally so excited. I don't think you guys understand how excited I am. Recently, I went on just a quick weekend trip to Barcelona. You know, I went and saw the sights. I saw, La Sagrada Familia. I saw a lot of other, like, Gaudi things. I went to the Barcelona Pavilion, the one by Mies van der Rohe. Beautiful design, really inspiring trip. And then I went shopping. Or rather, I started with shopping, so, that's where my priorities are. But I knew there was a Casa Loewe, which is one of their flagship stores. That's basically what that means. But basically, just to like sum up the experience, we walked in and we were greeted. The person's like, oh, just wander around. We'll send someone to you when someone frees up. And I was like, that's fine. I just want to walk around, not be bothered by anyone this time. Looked around downstairs at the men's stuff. The clothes were like, whatever. They're fine, but there weren't any of like those like standout pieces from any of the recent runways, which understandable. I'm sure they're sold super fast, and I wasn't even gonna buy it. I just wanted to like look at it, maybe try it on. But then I wandered over to the men's bags, and they had the Amazonite, where it's just like that little rectangle, but then it had the sink plug, and I was like playing with it, and I didn't realize that like there's a sink hole, but then the sink plug actually comes with it. When my sales associate like came up to me, I was like, this comes out, right? And he was like, yeah, you just have to pull. I was like, are you sure? And he's like, yeah, just do it. And then I just like popped it out, and I was like, oh, okay, that was easy. I was like, oh my god, I love this. I'm gonna wear it as a necklace, whatever, blah, blah. I wasn't intending on buying it. I was like, oh yeah, this is so fun. And he was like, oh, if this is your style, I have some bags that I want to show you. He like walks to like the back for like 2 seconds, and then he comes back out, and then he pulls out like, it's a large QB bag, like the big like shoulder bag. And it had like all the sink things, and it still had one of the plugs. But then in his other hand, he brought out, maybe I should just open it so you can see. So I didn't have like checked luggage to put like a big box in, so I just got it in this bag. But then this bag folded down nicely, flat. Oh, and then one fun thing, I don't know, I felt like we connected really well. It was like, oh, we just got the Loewe magazine in yesterday, so I'll throw that one and a couple of more in. All of the covers of these magazines fold out into posters, which I did not realize, but 2 of them also came with stickers. One of them was for like Paula Sabitha, and then the other one was actually so old. I was carrying my puzzle with like the Sit Sprites on it. One of them actually had the stickers from the Spirited Away collection, so immediately I was like, this is great, I love that. But let's get back to the main topic. I think one of the reasons why I'm like also like so excited about this is that this is something from one of my wish lists. I think if you know me, you know that I think wish lists are nice to have. I don't think it's necessarily about getting everything on them. It's a living list where like things go on the list, things come off the list, because either you're not into it anymore, or it gets sold out, or you buy it. A lot of the times I don't really buy things on my wish list, because what I find interesting are things that kind of like happen like very quickly, like a lot of the collaborations, things like that. But I don't know, it's like a nice surprise that I was able to get one, so I don't know, it makes me happy. It basically, like, because it was just the bag in the bag, it's the dust cover. But who cares? It's about what's inside, right? When he walked out carrying this bag, I think I like audibly gasped. And then as soon as I like picked it up, I was like, oh, I'm getting this. And it's a mini puzzle. And I know what you're thinking, I'm like, Justin, is this some black mini puzzle? Why are you so excited? Why do you care? I'm sure in the description I already wrote what it is. But still, I like being dramatic, so let's be dramatic together. You can probably see it in like the reflection of the light, like what's going on there. So this is from the Autumn Winter 22 men's runway for Loewe. It's a puzzle bag with LED lights. It lights up. I have a light up bag. This is one of the dumbest things I own now, and I love it. This is fantastic. Do you understand? Do you understand what this means to me? A, it's a runway piece. B, when you see like light up bags, I mean, obviously there's Chanel, they've done one, the boy with light up. I think more recently Louis Vuitton has done like the carry-all, like their duffel. But those bags seem so unattainable because I knew the Chanel, it was easily over like $6,000 or $7,000 at least. And then I know that the Keepall from Louis Vuitton with like the light up monogram, it started at like 10 or 11,000. First thing out of my mouth was like, okay, before I get too attached, how much is it? And he said a number that I was like, I can deal with that. So then I have this. I'm sorry, I'm so in love with this bag. It is so stupid. It is like, why? Why are there lights in it? It has this kind of like surreal quality to it because I mean the beautiful thing is it does follow the shape of the puzzle cutouts. So then it's almost like in the dark you can still like, yeah, of course it's a puzzle bag. I love it. I love it so much. I love it. I just love looking at it. Like, sorry. Like, I know normally I pay attention to you, but right now this is what has my attention. But let's explore it a little bit. I'm gonna turn it off just so it's maybe more visible for you guys. Okay, so like all the other mini puzzles, it has a little flap with a zipper closure on top. Inside of it, there's, same as any other mini puzzle, it has this very thin strap. Non-adjustable, but whatever. And then it has this really, I love their like silver hardware. I think it's, I don't know, I just think it's a very nice silver. Oh god, I'm knotting it up. What am I doing wrong? Hold on. There we go. Like every other puzzle bag, it attaches on these like interestingly shaped rings that holds the handle. I think they're like stilted to give the bag the opportunity to like fall forward instead of back when you're holding it. It falls nicer on the body that way. And then again, the binding, what is that called? I know I said it correctly in a past video, but my brain's kind of broken right now. Like the seam is to the back, so when you're carrying it, you don't have that in your hand. Beautiful. Of course, it has a little imprinted monogram on the top flap. That's pretty much everything on the outside. It has these little tabs just as always. But then the inside is where it gets a little interesting. The LED lights need like, of course, like a plug and it's USB-C and I'm like, oh, can I like charge my phone using my bag? I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a little pocket with a little electronics there. And that is the battery pack for the lights. I mean, of course, like I wouldn't expect less, but like that's so cute that they have like a little pocket. If you look at the top, it has the Loewe monogram, the updated one, and then it has a little on-off switch. But let me tell you this. It has the puzzle, like the shape of the puzzle. Like this is plastic, whatever. But still, the detail of putting the puzzle, like shapes, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Like normally like what the seams that create the puzzle, like the recognizable puzzle shape on the bag, it has it on the battery pack. I was already gonna get the bag, but if I saw this and I was on the fence, I'd be like, yeah, okay, no, I'm gonna get it. This is dumb. This is great. Why? Why? Yes, but why? Oh, this is how you charge it. So it's a micro USB. Oh, this didn't come with a charging cable, did it? What are they, Apple? I have plenty of micro USBs. And then there's like a little sticker about like, don't throw batteries in the garbage, it's bad for the environment. And like, I get it, like this kind of thing is like, it is gimmicky and like, of course, like LED lights die after like typically like 10, 20,000 hours of usage, but I'm like, whatever. I'm gonna use it for those 10,000 hours and be super happy. So spoiler alert, I did already like wear it around Barcelona. I don't know, maybe I'll put some pictures in here, but I really do like it. I think I'll give like a full like first impression when it comes to like use and like all that other stuff. And then of course a full bag review when I've actually like used it more, but I don't know, I just really wanted to share this moment with you and hopefully like my energy passed on to you and I don't know, I hope you enjoyed it and like you had some fun just like seeing me be a dumb little kid excited about it. It's like basically like sneakers with lights in them, you know, like you're like, yeah, it's like I'm visible at night. Woo! I don't want to hear your opinions about the bag if they're bad because I don't care. But I don't know, just say whatever you want. It's fine. Like, let me know. Do you think it's dumb? Because I agree. It is a very dumb bag, but I do love hearing from you guys. But yeah, that is all I have for you today. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. lets me know that you like this kind of content and that you too care about the design behind designer luxury. Until next time,